Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter this backup section. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this Google backup section, let's say. Be aware that if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. Of course, you can add another Google backup account. So if you do not have your Google account added, just tap on Next. As you can see here, we have to tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required. And of course, confirm everything with your pattern, PIN or password. There we go. And here all we have to do is to either tap on Create Account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course we can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after the reading. Here we can choose what kind of data we want to back up, so photos and videos, other device data like contacts, call history, or text messages. Of course you can choose both. I'll choose only this one and tap on Confirm. Then let's tap on Manage Backup. And here we've got another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. Right here we can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you can be sure that you won't be charged for accessing, for example, the limit of your mobile data. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. And now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.